question for you guys. Who did this? Who did this?
Well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley? Who did that? Was it you, Riley? Did you chew the headset?
What did you do? Who did this? Did you do this? Who did this?
Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that? Stevie? I think you did, didn't you? What's this? What's that? Come here. Come here. What's this? No. What did you do? Did you chew that up?
What did you do? What did you do? What did you do?
You dig a hole.